Hey everyone, I would be sharing with you makeup basics as beginner, important products that you need to have with you and their uses, what they're used for. It is going to be a quick transition. We are going to transition from this to this. If you're interested in knowing how to get this full face makeup look, then please continue watching this tutorial. First and the most important product that you should have is a good moisturizer. Moisturizer moisturizes your skin. It is a topmost protective layer. It protects your skin from irritants. It acts as a seal and restores lost moisture and protects your skin from chemicals that harm your skin. Makeup products are never good for skin directly. Moisturizer will act as a shield, disperse evenly on your face. Next, I'm using Fit Me Primer. Primer is used to fill in your pores, blurs your pores, and smoothens your skin. It also decreases oil production. Disperse all over your face. Next, I'm using foundation. This is again Maybelline product. Dampen this beauty blender. I'm taking 2 pumps of foundation on beauty blender and then I'm applying. Foundation unifies your skin tone, covering your flaws, and there will be a change in your natural skin tone. You see change before and after applying foundation. Color corrects your entire face. It is providing base for rest face makeup. Disperse foundation well on your face, cover whole of your face. Next, I'm using liquid concealer. Concealer is used to highlight your face high points like your nose bridge, here on your upper lip area. Next, on your chin. Very important, under eyes. Upper eyebrow line. These are your face high points. You need to highlight your face high points using concealer. You can even hide a pimple if you have here or there using concealer. Concealer is thick material than foundation. Concealer is used to hide your blemishes, your pimples, your dark spots. Don't blend concealer much. Just little. Move blender on your eyes. Before eye makeup, you need to conceal your eyes. I would be mattifying all of this using compact. I'm using compact powder from Faces Canada. Compact powder is used to mattify concealer and foundation. Concealer and foundation are sticky in nature. To mattify them, compact powder is used. I'm using powder brush from PAC to mattify all of face base. Next, I'm using eyebrow powder. Now I would be sharing with you eye makeup. This eye makeup look will be suitable on any attire that you're wearing. I'm using only 2 eyeshadows to get this eye makeup look done. It is going to be a glam eye look. Fill in your brows. I'm using eyebrow powder from Swiss Beauty. Intensity should be darker here towards your outer eyebrow. Here you have to keep it light. Next, for my eye makeup, I would be using Spiced Up Nicka K palette. I'm picking this brown eyeshadow. I'm packing on my outer V. Intensity on your outer V should be greater. Intensify eyeshadow on your outer V. Slowly, I'm moving towards crease. Intensity on your crease should not be greater. Traces of brown eyeshadow should be light on your crease. They should be darker on your outer V, but on crease they are supposed to be light. Just move brush back and forth and in circular motion. Smokiness should appear on your crease. Keep moving brush back and forth and in circular motion. Next, I'm using this beautiful shimmery eyeshadow. This is a very beautiful shimmery eyeshadow. All the eyeshadows in this eye palette are very beautiful. Do not cross your crease line. Keep it within the crease and push this towards the outer V to blend shimmery eyeshadow with outer V eyeshadow. Now I'm creating winged eyeliner. I'm using liquid eyeliner from Insight to create winged eyeliner. Next, I'm applying kajal on my waterline. Application of kajal on your waterline makes such a big difference. Eye makeup look without kajal will look so empty. Kajal enhances your eye makeup, and when eye makeup is done rightly, it enhances overall face base makeup. Next, I'm applying brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line. After this, I did be coating mascara. For mascara, I'm using Magnetize Faces Canada Mascara. Intensify your eyelashes well. Coating mascara, move wand multiple times on your upper eyelashes, and when you're coating mascara on your lower eyelashes, use the tip of the wand. Individual eyelashes are targeted. I'm done with both eyes. This is how it has come up. Next, I'm using Nykaa lipstick, pink shade. Lipstick adds color to your lips. When your lips are colored, whole of your face looks very beautiful. Whole makeup seems very beautiful after applying lipstick. Next, I'm blushing my cheeks. This adds a flush of color that brightens up your face. Now I'm using a highlighter to highlight my face. Highlighting is done to draw attention to your best features. Cover your cheeks, nose bridge, cupid bow, lastly on your chin. To settle all of this, I'm using a makeup fixer. Maintain distance and then spray, and it's done. This is how full face makeup look has come up. Please follow this tutorial. You will be able to achieve the way I have done it. If you have any doubts, put them in the comment box below. Thank you so much if you have watched it till here. Thanks for your time. Take care and bye.